Hey guys, it's Chris here again with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Linkedtify review. Now, for those of you out there who are looking to optimize their LinkedIn in order for you to get leads, and then you need some help on getting leads with some really great email scripts and messaging tools, and just an all-encompassing tool that is going to help you with getting leads, getting sales, making money using LinkedIn, which is super popular right now. This product is definitely for you. Let's face it, I know this for a fact. I started coming to the realization of this earlier this year, that going cold email or cold call is definitely not as effective as optimizing and using LinkedIn as your primary tool for sales, especially for things like social media, consulting, coaching, agencies, anything like that. So today we're going to take a deep dive into Linkedtify, and as well as that, I've also handpicked and gotten you some really awesome bonus products that are going to go hand in hand with Linkedtify, so you get the absolute most out of it. I've also gotten you full access to the vendor bonus vault, so you're going to get all these extra bonuses as well. So before we get into that, just drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification if you want to be updated with new products coming out that are going to help you to make money online. Also, if at any time during this video you want to jump ahead and check out Linkedtify on your own, make sure you first go through the link in the description. What that will do is take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Linkedtify webpage. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, what that will do is lock in all these bonuses before then sending you off to the Linkedtify page. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll not only get Linkedtify, but you'll also get all those bonuses I just mentioned thrown into a big bundle that you can access immediately. The first bonus I've gotten for you, LinkedIn Success. This is going to go into the knowledge side. So you're going to get all the tools with Linkedtify. This is going to go into some fundamental knowledge that really helps to give you some background and know the ways in which you can utilize LinkedIn in the best possible way, and in turn use Linkedtify in the best possible way. So a great training here for LinkedIn. Really good. The next bonus I've gotten for you is social media income. These usually are sold separately, but I threw them all in a bundle, and I figured, hey, if you're going to optimize LinkedIn, why not optimize all your social media profiles? So I've thrown in the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, even the LinkedIn version and the Pinterest version, because these are the platforms that I think you can utilize the most and actually make the most money from. So if you're not optimizing your profiles properly, or you're not even sure how to optimize them and how to separate yourself from a user on your social media and kind of take that step into using your social media as an asset that can get you business, these are going to help you out with that as well. So bonus number 3 I've also gotten you here is content syndication, and this tells you basically how to create content on all of the major social platforms. So this goes into the main ones like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. It's also Hootsuite, WhatsApp, really everything. And there's a nuance, there's a language on each platform that you need to realize. You could put a piece of content out on Instagram and it might not work at all, but it would work amazingly well on Pinterest or Facebook or Twitter, for example. So this goes into really what you should know when you're putting content out onto different platforms. Content syndication, super important. So you're speaking in a way and you're putting that content out in a way that really maximizes what it can really do on each platform, and gives it to people in the way that they're used to accepting it on that platform, if that makes sense. Bonus number 4 I've gotten you is social traffic rush. This is going into all social media platforms as well, but this is focusing on the traffic. So what people do is they put out content, whether they put it out properly with a tool like content syndication, or whether they just do it, ad hoc. Generally what the process is people put out content and then they sit there and they go, okay, where's the audience? Where are the views? Where are the subs? Okay, but there's a bit of proactivity that is needed. This is a great product for teaching you how to get traffic on each social media platform. So you're not just putting out content, playing the waiting game, and you have a little bit of control over the traffic that your content is going to generate. Bonus number 5 is I've gotten you full access to the Linkedtify bonus vault. So really quickly, What they're offering that you're going to get as well is GetClick, which is a traffic getting tool. We've got Video Auto Click plugin to increase affiliate traffic. Social Enigma, another targeting traffic engine. 20 Facebook cover videos. We've got LinkedIn, type of content shared the most. So this is helping you to figure out what's the best content that works best on LinkedIn. We've got 10 Instagram story video. We've got how to get traffic from influencers on LinkedIn. We've got the 3 connection method, so how to generate leads again. SlideShare, so this is using SlideShare as well to get business and leads. And then viral content creator, so the anatomy of viral content and how you can mimic that with your own content. So 10 bonuses there from the vendor as well. So if that all sounds good to you, step 1, link in the description. You'll go through to this bonus page, click on any of these green buttons that will lock in all the bonuses I just told you about, and then it will send you off to the official Linkedify webpage where you can check out in more detail what it's all about in your own time. Check out testimonials, things like that, so you're able to make a more informed decision. If you do decide to purchase, you'll not only be sent Linkedify, again, you'll be sent all the bonuses in a digital receipt, which looks like this. So under the blue button will be Linkedify, under the green button will be Linkedify, under the blue button will be all the bonuses I just mentioned. So super easy. My email's there if you have any problems. And I will say that this is dependent on this countdown timer. This is a launch week special, so any bonuses, any special discount pricing that will get activated also when you click these green buttons, they're all dependent on this countdown. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price, okay? Now, without further ado, let's get into the demo of Linkedify so you can see exactly what to expect.
So once you've logged into the dashboard, on the left-hand side, you have all the menu, okay? So you've got the Linkedify Content Hero, you've got the headline generator, the messenger app, you've got all the shortcuts, and then you've got the banner app as well. Now, let me start off by just showing you some of the highlights of this. This is the Linkedify Content Hero, okay? This is where we're going to be posting to your Linkedify newsfeed and the blog post, okay? I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, then you've got the banner apps. These are the personal app personal profiles you can create for yourself and for your clients as well. And there are 600 million professionals on LinkedIn, so there's so many banners to choose from. So these personal banners, for example, that you can upload, you can create those very easily and then upload them onto LinkedIn. They look something like that, but we've got so many designs to choose from, thousands of designs to choose from. Plus, you've got these amazing video. I'm really excited about these video banners, okay? That if you look, for example, here is Gary V with a video banner, okay? In all his videos, he has these video banners. Why? Because they're engaging and they attract a lot of people. So that's what you've got as well, okay? So what else have you got? If we go back into this, you've got this headline generator. You can create amazing headline generators in there as well. You've got this cropper. If you want to crop your head profile, upload it from your desktop, you can do that. And we've got this message app, okay? So basically, it will come up with different messages that you'll send your connection. Who viewed you? You've got messages to send them. If you want a follow-up message, if you want a recommendation or a referral, you've got all this message. But let's go back to the Content Hero. Again, this is an amazing app. Basically, you search for a something in your niche. For example, I'm going to put in entrepreneurs there. It will take a few seconds and bring back hot trending content in the last 7 days. It could have been the last 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, or 60 days. It just brings back great content that you can share on your social media posts, especially LinkedIn, and blogs as well. So let me give you an example of that. Look at this. This is something that I created much earlier on, okay? So happy new year to you guys. When I post this and it's instant, it goes to my news feed and all my thousands of connections who are active are going to get to see that, and the click-throughs are great. And you can schedule a post as well. You can actually schedule a post, put in date and time in as well, okay? You've got all these different features. You can add images, you can add videos and image as well, and different style text that you can add there as well. So many features within this system. Okay, so let's do a quick thing. Let's actually post this now and on my LinkedIn. So basically all you've got to do is once you've selected whatever it is there, click on share, okay, and that will take you to this. You can enter in Happy New Year. You can add in an image if you want to from your desktop. You can add in more images, emojis or texts if you want. So I've added that already. I just want to show you. Let me just post that. Okay, it's going to give you this message, and within a few seconds, you should. Okay, so now let's go and look at LinkedIn. So if we go into our LinkedIn account, yeah, just that's it. It's there already. If we refresh, it's published there already. Okay, so if we go back into the dashboard, there are things you can check. You can, there are reports as well. It's got reports on different things as well. Okay, just wanted to show you these banners that even Gary Vee uses when he posts video. Look at that. Okay, these types of banners which you have access to. Look at the engagement level. Yes, I know it's Gary Vee, but he gets 197. That's why he says you've got to put 2 to 3 pieces of content on LinkedIn every day. He knows it. His agency, they measure these things. So he's given that information away for free. And he always, if you notice, uses these types of banners. Let me show you other examples. Look at that. He's always using these type of video banners on his videos, and look at the engagement. Look at the engagement he gets on most of his videos. Even this one. Let's look at other influencers like Jay Shetty. He's using these types of banners now in his videos. Look at that engagement. Even I think we did a live on LinkedIn, and we were getting engagement on posting, because Gary says you've got to keep posting on LinkedIn, and that's what we did. And we started to do lives on LinkedIn and posting videos on LinkedIn, and these are the results we were getting as well. Okay, so you can do the same thing. Video banners work. People, if you want to show more awareness, if you want to show more stuff, you have to have these video banners.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on Linkedtify and seeing what it can do for you. Really quickly, if you go through the link in the description again, I've got a little description here on Linkedtify, but more importantly, the pricing. So the front end, 27, it's gonna go up to 37. And I will say that you don't only need this front end to get all the bonuses. So don't feel like you need all the upsells. Figure out what's best for you. You get the bonuses no matter what. Linkedtify Pro, $47. Gets you more designs, a couple more bells and whistles and things like that. So check out the description here to see if you want those extras. Agency package, you'll have access to marketing materials, website documentation, video banners and things. If you want to use Linkedtify as a tool, if you want to be a Linkedtify agent that helps people with their LinkedIn, you can buy this package as well. We've got Linkedtify reseller, so you'll get licenses to sell to other people or your clients, depending on how many licenses you want, will be depending on how much it costs. And then we've got Seeker Academy, which is advanced training on LinkedIn and on using Linkedtify. So you really get the most out of it as well. So you decide which one you want, and if you think about it, with all those bonuses and you're getting them at $27, if you get in early, there's just a whole lot of value on offer here. Not a lot to lose. There's a full money back guarantee along with that. So yeah, if you do have any extra questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments. Hit me up also on my email or my social media if you want to. I do reply to everybody. If not, enjoy Linkedtify. I hope you get the most out of it. I hope you love those bonuses I've got for you, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.